Do not attempt this at home. That's hot. 20 feet, 11. It's going to be 30 feet.
That's what's going to give you?
30.